Dear Ayya, could you explain how life is in Brahma realm when they don't have any desire and they don't eat or sleep, then how they live or interact with each other? I don't know much about the Brahma realms, if I say, except the little bit that I've taken in from the Pāli Canon. I'm aware that the Brahma realms, the realms of the gods, very high realms of existence where there's no body, although there's a very subtle presence, material presence or some kind of presence, but very subtle, very ethereal, no aches and pains, no need to eat and sleep and defecate and urinate and so forth. By comparison, these human bodies are very coarse, foul, and the predominant mind state in the Brahma realms, my understanding is that there's really no space, there's no possibility of kind of negative, harsh, hateful, averse mind states, but the dwelling places of the gods mentally are in love, metta, karuna, compassion, joy, mudita, and equanimity, upekkha. So these sublime abidings, these are the abidings in which the gods dwell. And for a very long time, they can be enjoying the really peaceful, blissful states of mind that these divine abidings are. That much I can say. How do they interact with each other? I don't really know. I feel that these qualities, at least, are quite, impersonal. They're not self-referencing. They're kind of unconditional. So these energies are really something, maybe a sense of them radiating forth from these realms, within these realms. The one thing that's significant to me and of importance to me is to know that the Buddha was really saying that even these most high, blissful, divine abidings that can last the life can be for so very, very long. It's inconceivable to us humans how long the lifespan of the gods can be. And yet, they are in samsara. They are part of the wheel of existence, the rebirth, death and rebirth of samsara. And so even the lives of the gods come to an end. And when they do, there's only really one direction in which one can go, and that's generally down. And so there's a maybe suspension of suffering, but then a return, falling back into the realms of suffering. So, the Brahma realms are not realms to aspire to. They're not places to look to for our happiness, ultimate peace and happiness. We want to be able to go beyond. And so not to be too attracted to or too enticed by these possibilities, because even the heavens are finite, are peopled by mortal beings. This is the teaching of the Buddha, and the encouragement is to let go of all possible rebirths and to allow ourselves to stop, to let go, to allow cessation, to allow reality, to allow the truth of Nibbana. This is the only real peace and happiness that can be known, that can be experienced, that is not subject to change.